Hi children, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we learn 20 rivers names of Karnataka. 20 rivers name of Karnataka. Let's start the video. Who are watching my videos without subscribing, please subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. Firstly, Saraswati. Second, Ganga. Saraswati. Second, Ganga. Third, Brahmaputra. Brahmaputra. Fourth, Chambal. Fourth, Chambal. Fifth, Kaveri. Fifth, Kaveri. Sixth, Godavari. Godavari. Seventh, Krishna. Seventh one is river Krishna. Eighth one, Narmada. Eighth one, Narmada river. Ninth, Gandak. Ninth, Gandak. 10th one is river Teesta. Teesta. 11th river name is Chenab. 12th one Jhelum. 11th one Chenab. 12th one is Jhelum. 13th one is Bhagirathi. 13th one Bhagirathi river. 14th Yamuna. River name is 14th one Yamuna. 15th Satluj. 15th Satluj. 16th Mahanadi. River is 16th one river name is Mahanadi. 17th Garga. Garga. 18th Kosi. Kosi. 19th one Betwa. 19th one Betwa river. 20th the last one Alkananda river. So these are the 20 important river names of Karnataka. I hope you liked my video. If you liked my video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you children. Meet you in the next video. Bye bye.